Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I will show you how to program your Homelink garage door opener on this Honda Odyssey. Now this one I have here is a 2019 Honda Odyssey with the Homelink buttons on the bottom of the rear view mirror. If you look at the bottom of the mirror, there are 3 buttons. Those are your Homelink buttons. Here's a closer look at the 3 Homelink buttons. So you can program 1 garage door for each Homelink button. That 4th button you see on the far right is for turning on and off the auto dimming mirror. Now, if this Homelink system was ever programmed for another garage door, you do need to erase a code that's stored in there. And you do that by pressing and holding the 2 outside Homelink buttons, which is button 1 and button 3, and you want to hold it for 10 seconds until the LEDs start flashing. That tells you the memory has been erased. If this is a brand new setup, or you've already cleared the memory in the Homelink system, then you can begin with the programming procedure, which I'll show you right now. To program one of the Homelink buttons to your garage door opener, place your garage door opener next to the mirror. Press one of the Homelink button you want to program. You'll see the LED flash slowly. Now press and hold the garage door opener. You might need to release it and hold it again until you see it turns green and flashes rapidly. That tells you the Homelink has learned the garage door opener's code. Next, we'll need to go over to the garage door opener device and press the Learn button so it can learn the new code from the Homelink device. On this Genie Pro garage door opener, there's a Learn button at the very top. That's the button right there. You need to press it. And there's an LED below the switch that'll start flashing. Now we're back in the car. Press the programmed Homelink button. Release it. Press it again. Now you may need to press and release a couple of times. And now it's programmed. If you have additional garage doors you want to program, repeat the same procedure and program it to the other buttons. Now there's one thing I want to point out. Depending on how old or how new your garage door opener is, the garage door opener can only learn and remember X number of codes. For example, the Genie Pro garage door opener I have here is about 18 years old and it can only learn and remember 7 codes. Many of the newer ones can remember 25 to 30 codes. And I want to tell you this because if you have an older garage door opener and over the years you've programmed multiple cars and devices, the memory might be full. And you need to refer to the garage door opener's user guide and find out how to erase all the codes and reprogram all your devices. Now this programming procedure I showed you pretty much will apply to all Homelink garage door openers. So even if you don't have a Honda vehicle, you can use the same procedure on a different vehicle. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.